Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locating the battery control immediately. Click the taskbar battery icon or press Win plus on Windows. On Mac OS, click the menu bar battery. Once done, open Setting System Battery to enable percentage so you get precise numbers, not estimates. Make sure to plug the charger in briefly if the reading looks stuck. That forces the system to refresh its sensor output. This first step gets you a live, verifiable battery indicator you can act on. Next, dig into detailed metrics so you understand how power is used. Open power and battery settings to see usage by app and estimated runtime. On Mac OS, go to System Settings Battery Usage History for similar breakdowns. For Windows power users, run powercog/battery report from an elevated command prompt to generate a full health and cycle count report. Save and open the HTML. Once you have these details, you'll know which processes drain the battery and whether the battery capacity is degrading. Finish by verifying actual battery health and applying fixes. Compare design capacity to current capacity in the battery report to judge where. If numbers are far apart, replacement may be needed. If readings seem off, calibrate by charging to 100%, discharging to near 0%, then charging fully again. This helps the controller report accurately. If problems persist, reset the SMC/PRAM on a Mac or uninstall and reinstall the battery driver on Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.